What's up, you guys? I just got off work, so I'm pretty tired. And it's late, so I'm trying to stay quiet. My portfolio is at $21,274. I've gained $912 from the market. Earned dividends is at 184. For it is Friday, technically, the 9th. For tomorrow, I'll be buying 2 shares, or 2 companies. Verizon, I'm adding $30, around $39, and then Church and Dwight. This is a starter position. I'm just adding $20, dollar cost averaging, and buying around $80. And then the previous buys that I made as well this week, I bought Nike around 105. I added $20 worth, and then Microsoft around 254. I bought $20 worth, and then Shopify around $30. I bought $20 worth. So yeah, just dollar cost averaging, buying very small. And yeah, that's pretty much it as far as an update on my portfolio. I'm adding 300 every week so far still. I still have some buying power just in case the market takes a drop. And that's pretty much it as far as an update. Stay tuned. See you guys next week.